Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening voice memos and granting microphone access. This lets the app capture clean audio. Tap the red record button to start immediately and watch the input meter so levels don't clip. If you want clearer sound, plug an external microphone or move closer to the source. Once done, tap pause to hold and resume when ready. Make sure to name the memo right away so it's easy to find later, and keep quiet while recording to reduce background noise. Now you'll refine the recording. Tap the memo, then edit. This opens the waveform for precise trims. Drag the yellow handles to cut start or end points. Use split to remove a middle section or replace to overdub a segment while listening. If unwanted low-frequency noise appears, apply low cut in another app or use the built-in enhancer toggle to improve clarity. Once you're satisfied, tap Save. And remember to duplicate the original file before major edits, so you can revert if needed. Finish by sharing or backing up. Tap the memo, choose Share to send via messages, mail, or AirDrop, or save to files for long-term storage. To protect recordings, enable iCloud Sync under Settings your Apple ID iCloud so memos sync across devices. If playback is silent, don't panic, check microphone permissions, toggle Bluetooth off to avoid routing, and reconnect any external mic. If problems persist, restart the app and your iPhone. That often restores functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.